Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change time zone in Windows 11. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get right into it. First click on the Start menu icon and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Time and Language on the left sidebar. Here click on Date and Time from the list of options. Here you will see several settings related to date and time. This is your current time zone. To change your time zone, simply look for the time zone drop-down menu. So this is the time zone drop-down menu. First, make sure Set Time Zone Automatically option is disabled. As you can see, it's off. So click on the time zone drop-down menu and select your desired time zone from the list. We are going to select this Perth. Windows will automatically adjust your system time according to the selected time zone. So that's it, you have successfully changed your time zone in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.